Hey guys, I'm Quinn. I'm an artist, designer, traveler, hiker, and climber, and now I am the proud owner of a 1977 Airstream Trade Wind. I'm going to be renovating this little trailer from the frame up and turning it into my mobile tiny home. Last episode, I took out the water tanks, did some interior demolition and cleanup, and got some exciting things in the mail. And this time, we are finally lifting and leveling the Airstream. We're removing the subfloor, and I will be angle grinding my life away. Okay, so today I am on my way to the Airstream because we are jacking it up. Finally, I've been saying that since the day I got it, that today's the day. Today's actually the day. Today's the day. It's raining.
Push in a little bit.
It started to rain pretty heavily. You can kind of see the rain on the Airstream. But anyway, we're still trucking through. Thanks for helping. Okay, the rain is not letting up on us, so we are stopping for the day and securing the rest of it tomorrow. Because it is downpouring. You can't really tell, but you can kind of tell. So obviously, as soon as we're done, or almost done, and we pack everything up, it stops fucking raining. Or it like stops enough that we could have kept going. Oh well, that's for tomorrow. So day 2 of jacking up the Airstream, I didn't actually do anything. I got here and my dad already finished it. I just had to help him like tweak a few things and then put some safeties in. But it's level, so yay. She be level. Okay, so I'm moving all of the cushions from the Airstream into the dome and I'm gonna put them up in the loft for safekeeping for now, because I have to rip out the rest of the Airstream and they are in the way. Cushions, dome. Hi, Cricket.
It's all done.
Dun dun dun. $250 later. All right, we got the goods. I think I went a little crazy, but it's okay because I'm gonna have it for a while and I'm gonna need it, so. What are you doing in here? Come here. All right, today is the tester day, so I don't know if any of the things I bought are gonna work the way that I want them to, but today's the day where we try and then just figure it out from there. There she blows. Okay, so this is like the before. The subfloor's up, there's still like insulation and rust everywhere. And now we angle grind it all away. And this is the first go. We'll probably do like 2 or 3 passes. Wow. Look at that. That is so funny. I didn't even notice that. Okay, so my dad gave me this mask. It's like a full shield, but then like does this so it doesn't fog up. That happened. That's so We're quickly losing light, so I'm gonna pack it up for today and charge all the batteries, get an extension cord for the one with the cord so that when I run out of battery tomorrow, I will have something else to do because I'm out of battery and I can't do anything. So, and also my throat hurts from breathing all that shit in, so I have to get a better mask than the one my dad gave me so I don't end up with what looks like a dotted mustache and lung cancer. All right, this is where we're stopping for the day. It doesn't look much better, but it's getting there. This is the appearance of the day. I have a mask this time. We're just gonna angle grind again, but this time we're gonna like chop off all these bolts because I got the right wheel for that. So that's today, and it's freezing. So hopefully this makes me warm. This isn't. This is insane. I look insane, but whatever. Better safe than sorry. Alright, now I got the sandpaper on, so let's see if this does what I want it to do now. I really thought that this was going to work. Like, I really thought this was going to get in there, but sandpaper's better, I guess. I don't know. This video is just going to be a lot of the same thing. So, just a lot of angle grinding, and I'm tired. We got a long way to go. Okay, first battery is dead, so on to the next. I still managed to get my nose this dirty. How? I only have one battery left, and it's only 2 out of 3 charged, so I have no idea how much more I'm able to get done. So tomorrow, top priority is extension cord, so I can actually work for longer than an hour and a half. No! Fuck! Okay, I'm gonna use the remainder of this time while battery's charged to gather all that into a bag. Okay, I need fresh air after that, but I got most of the insulation out. Oh my god, this thing is so dirty. I got most of the insulation out that was still there, so I'm gonna get a shop vac and do that, and then keep angle grinding once all these batteries are ready. Okay, so I've cleaned up a little bit, and then I kind of got into like a cleaning mode. So I'm just gonna like clean up the surrounding area because it needs to be done. It's getting really difficult to see in here. So despite the fact that I got the angle grinder with the cord hooked up, I gotta stop because I can't see anything in a safe way. So we're gonna pack it up for tonight and then come back tomorrow. I went to put on my overalls and I realized I spilled water all over the back of my truck, and now these are soaking wet and it's freezing cold out, so I'm gonna dry them. But I will be working in leggings and being very careful about it. Turns out I also don't have glasses, so I found my high school and college glasses in my car, so these will be my safety glasses for the day. I also bought an actual face mask, like with filters and everything, so I don't again die and also have shit up my nose for 3 days after. So, oh wait, it comes with safety goggles. Hell yeah. Okay, so upon starting that part of it, oh Jesus, this is a lot. I realized that, oh my god, this is so annoying. Metal shards hurt like a fucking bitch if you're not wearing the right thing. So even though my overalls are still wet, I'm putting them on to protect my legs because it hurts like a bitch. And I would rather have my legs be wet than be covered with little metal shards everywhere. Okay, I didn't even put them on all the way, just the pants part are on and everything else is tucked. Just so my legs are protected. And now I get back to work. I'm just tired. Alright. Nasty, but nothing on my nose. That's pretty good. Better than the last ones. So I'm just gonna pack it up a little bit. My hands are freezing because it's cold out and I have to pee and my pants are wet. So not from urine, from water because of earlier. Okay, anyway, cool, quick cleanup. So I just have to start getting here earlier, which sometimes is really hard for me because I can't get out of bed, ever. But anyway, we're doing great. This is the current state of the back of my car. It is just tools, empty toolboxes, drinks, art supplies, sneakers, random shit just everywhere. And it's going to continue to be like that because I have no organization right now. Nor do I think I will anytime soon. So we're just living in the chaos. I'm dying. Last episode, I did blah, blah, blah. On this episode, I'm doing blah, bee, blue, blah.